This is the ultimate in multifunction machining centers, the 7-axis sliding headstock CB32M from Chaochun. This machining center uses the very best materials in construction. Meonite one-piece cast frame for guaranteed rigidity, Mitsubishi servo motors for machining precision, and coupled with THK linear guideways. It is designed especially for small workpieces less than 32 millimeters in diameter and is especially good for short, complex work due to the independent spindles and fully driven tools. The machining center provides full C-axis machining, not just index C-axis machining, which allows the CB32M to provide milling and even engraving operations as a standard function. Rigid tapping is another feature which is in high demand and is provided by the driven tools in this unit. As the tools are driven, this also means that rigid tapping can be provided in radial, axial and even eccentric orientations, allowing for the complete machining and tapping of even complex geometries. The main and sub spindles on the CB32M are totally independent, which means that the CB32M is just like a production line in one unit. When the main spindle has completed a workpiece and passed it off to the sub spindle for back machining, the main spindle can start the next workpiece. So not only do you not need to have multiple machines for the completion of each workpiece, but your production throughput is increased while setup times and even manpower are reduced, because all of the functions are performed in one machine. As this machine is a production line in one unit, it also incorporates a special parts catcher which can collect the completed workpieces from the sub spindle and pass them off to the conveyor so the next unit can be started. As an option, a gripper can also be provided, which ensures that even the most delicate workpieces can be handled without damage or scratching. The CB32M is the best possible choice for small, complex geometry parts. Turning, milling, drilling, tapping, rigid tapping, cutting, back machining, all from this one unit.